In this video, I'm going to show you how to write the words, also known as copy, for your contact and or your 404 error page so that it's easy for people to schedule or work with you, and even if they somehow get lost, how to get them pointed back in the right direction. A contact page is a must for most businesses. The goal of the contact page is to answer people's questions before they arrive in your inbox and let these informed and ready to work people get in touch with you. Especially with large businesses, you'll see that an FAQ section is usually on the contact page. That's because these businesses have already spent a lot of time answering the same questions over and over. And an FAQ section allows people to call or schedule with you with the confidence and prevents people from wasting your time with unnecessary questions. For your FAQ section, list out your customers' top concerns. Do you take insurance? Do you have vegan options? Are you currently taking new clients? Can I hire you on a consulting basis? Then answer these questions briefly, linking out to other source pages as necessary. This FAQ section can come in handy anywhere on your website where people might have questions about your stuff. The next thing you want to do is to add a search bar to your contact page. Adding the search bar will help people find the stuff that they're looking for without having to fill out a form. Again, the goal here is to not waste your time answering questions that you have already explained somewhere else. You're going to want to make sure that you drop in a contact form and tell people where they can expect a response from you. For example, you could say that we usually get back within 48 hours on business days. You also want to think about the other fields that they should include on their form. Do you need just their email and not their phone number? Do you need an example of their website? Do you want to know the position that they hold within their current company? Now let's talk about writing a 404 error page. If you've been following along with all of these courses, this is going to be the last primary page where you're going to write copy for. The 404 error page is shown to anyone who clicks on a broken link or mistypes a URL on your site. All you need to do is to break the tension with a little bit of humor and then point them in a direction where they can get some answers. Here's an example. So I think you took a wrong turn. No worries, use the search bar below to find what you're looking for or check out some of my most popular resources. We'll go over how to build out this page in later courses, but for now, think about a fun couple of sentences that you can use to prevent widespread panic from landing on the wrong page. Remember that this is just part of my first course on planning your Squarespace website. You can check out the full courses linked up in the description box below. Also, if you have any questions about designing, naming, or optimizing your contact or 404 error page, then leave me a comment below and I will get back to you. Let's put the art back into content marketing. I'll see you on the next video.